Hi, Mary. Hi. Hey, sweetheart. Yeah, that's the camera. Hi. Brother running around like a nut. Uh-huh. What else? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Really? What's the matter? What happened? What happened? What happened to you? You're a mess. What happened? Hi. Yeah. That's very juicy. Mm-hmm. You go sit down with Mary over there. Go sit down with Mary over there. Yeah, there's you over there. Go ahead. Go sit with her. Go sit with her. Yeah, that's Mary. Oh, she's coming back over here. I'm gonna stay off the couch with Dad this week. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, why don't you guys go sit down over there? Yeah, go sit down. Yeah, over there. There you go. Having a little seat? Have a little seat over there, huh? Gentle with Yofi. Gentle with Yofi. Gentle, gentle. Good, gentle. That's the way. Oh, look at all the magnet guys. You brought them all over. How wonderful. Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe you should not get up right. Yeah, don't get up right now. Here. Whoop, whoop. You fell over the tunnel. Whoop, you fell over the dog. Who's going in that tunnel? Can you go in that tunnel, Mary? Can you go in that tunnel? Can you go in there? Oh, where's Mary? Where did she go? Where is that girl? There you are. Oh, where's Micah? Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Hi. Hi. Yeah. You were both in the tunnel. Hi. Yes.